What's up everybody, welcome back to the shop. Today we have a new toy to play with. So I finally got around to getting a mobile base for my table saw so that I can move it out of the way and reclaim some of the space for other projects when I need to. Previously, it's always just lived here in the center of the shop. Let's get those unboxed and take a look. The old box within a box. Wheels, hardware, wheels. So this is the extension base so that it'll support the rest of this table. Guess we'll go ahead and just assemble this part first so then it's ready to go. Those are not going anywhere. Since these are a little bit stubborn, I'm going to stick the littlest tiny bit of grease on this. Okay. Okay. That's on there. Those do roll real nice. Okay, that's all 4 of those. Alrighty, as you can see here, I've got these pretty much put together. The shop is currently kind of trashed and I can't get anywhere near that base. So first things first, I need to clean up a little bit so I can get to it. So let's go ahead and get the shop cleaned up a little bit and then we will bring you back. So I got this loosely just slid together, and now I'm going to measure the base and the base of the saw and figure out if it'll fit as is or if I need to adjust it a little bit before I can put it together. Okay, this will go smaller than this is big. Means I don't have to fight it. Now, I gotta figure out how to lift this up. That should be interesting. Let's see if this will lift it. Almost high enough. Dang it. Well, she's down. Alrighty, there you have it. She's on wheels. We just need to go through and cinch all the bolts down, make sure everything's tight and snug, and then adjust the feet for the levers, and we should be good to go. Alrighty, that's pretty much it. I've now got a table saw that's mobile and able to be put wherever I need it to, so that should help things out a lot in the shop. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.